Hello Odooers, welcome back to our channel Devintelle. Today we will see how to recreate purchase order using this our Dev recurring purchase order via purchase app. So let's see about that. You can see here our module Dev recurring purchase order. First install this module, so click on this activate button. Now our module is installable. First go to purchase. Go to configuration and see here this menu recurring purchase orders. Click on create new. Write here name like sell these products. Add here purchase order number. I add 10 number. So you can easily see here based on order number automatically add customer and product in description, quantity, unit of measures and unit price. Add here 2 days. If you want to 2 days, week, month or year, so select notify to Michelle admin and stop date 10. It means 2 days after sent mail. Let's save and now click on this process. So you can easily see here move new to processed. Go to list view and also see in list view 10 number of purchase order. Thank you.